plus 64th of incidence under the rear wing. It's a little better. Right. Dime scale Mobusan Hemiptere 40, designed by Backstrom, short kit prototype, George Bredehoft, Volare Products. First flight's going to be 400 turns on a 30-inch 2 loops of 3/32 rubber, running a 7-inch Peck-Polymers propeller. Got an 047 prop shaft in there, a little less likely to bend than the 1/32. See how it goes. Alright, so that pulled pretty hard left. Let's see here, I'm just going to put a 1/16 gurney flap under the left wing here. That side I think is excessively washed out, so we'll see if that keeps it any flatter on roll. Right, using this restickable glue stick, little 1.5 inches of 1/16 square balsa. It's a fairly large gurney flap, but pulled pretty strong to the left, so I want to see what this does. It's not sticking too well. Second flight, 430 turns, gurney flap under this washed out left wing. Right, it's a little bit better. It's doing that fall over still, which I've seen in the Peanut tandem wing too. I think it's got to do with that wide chord, short tail moment. See if we can iron that out at all. Flight number 3, 630 turns, and I've taken that 1/64th incidence out of the rear wing. At launch. Still stalling, but I like that angle of attack better. Go give it some more right roll bias. See where that takes it. 600 turns, 1/16 gurney flap added on the top of the right wing. A little better. Some wandering there. Not bad. And glide might be a little steep. Oh, straight. Right, 560 turns. Added a little 1/64th shim to give it some down and right thrust. See if it can iron out that initial stall. Okay, moving the CG back a little bit, touch of clay on the tail, and I'm increasing that shim from 1/64th to a 32nd down and right. Right, a right turnout. Fallen left, interesting. Not sure if it likes that CG change. Down. This was the best flight of the day. Still not totally in trim, but it's getting there. My next step with this plane is going to be to warp the excessive washout out of the left wing for a less strong left roll bias in that flight pattern. And I also want to install an adjustable thrust button in the nose for more fine thrust adjustments, probably the Gizmo Geezer. So the kit for this plane and that thrust button are available from Volare Products with the link in the description. Thanks for watching.